Let's light the fire in the fire pit. We'll add some drywood logs and let it burn for about 15 minutes until the fire is good and hot. As the flames get intense, I'll place the cast iron pan on top to let it heat and catch the fire. Then, I'll pour in the oil. When placing your steak in the pan, always drop it away from you to be safe. Cook each side for around 4 minutes. The smoke rising from the pan is a good sign, and the loud sizzle means it's cooking perfectly. While the steak is heating up, let's smash some garlic cloves to help them release their natural oils and flavors. Flip the meat and add the garlic cloves to the pan. Next, we're gonna add some fresh thyme for that perfect aromatic touch. And lastly, a generous piece of unsalted butter to meld all the flavors together. And to be honest with you, I totally forgot to season these steaks. Yeah, it happens. It's too late now, so we'll just season them once they reach the desired internal temperature. No worries, they're still gonna be amazing. Once the butter melts and starts to get smoky, we're going to get that from the pan, and we're going to let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes, and at this point, I'm all ready to make this deliciously creamy mushroom sauce. First up, I'll discard all the ingredients from the pan. I'll thinly slice all the mushrooms and toss them into the pan. Cutting them thin lets them cook just right and soak up all the great smoky flavors. Keep the high heat and brown the mushrooms to a mahogany color. Let's season all that with kosher salt and freshly ground pepper. Add your magical cream sauce to the mushrooms. Mix things around and bring your sauce to a boil. Reduce the heat to a low, add some fresh parsley, and simmer for a couple of minutes or until the sauce thickens up. Returning to the steak, we'll season it with salt and pepper on both sides, ensuring it's well coated. Then we'll slice it up. It's looking fantastic, perfectly medium rare, just the way I like it. The crust is beautifully formed all over. The juices are nicely sealed in. It seems like we've done a great job. Having to season the steaks after cooking them was caused by a mistake, but I think it isn't such a bad idea. In fact, I think I'll be doing it more often. Here's why. After cooking, the steak has a chance to rest and its juices are perfectly sealed in. Adding salt and pepper at this stage can enhance the flavor without overpowering the natural taste of the meat. Don't miss out on getting every bit of this delicious sauce and mushrooms onto each steak.